Hello, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our Italian herb garlic broccoli, everybody. Just sauteed over in the skillet, just mostly perfect for just the children to eat their vegetables. Now, I know it's hard to get our children to like vegetables, but I'm going to tell you, this is one way to get the kids to love it. Okay, everybody? Now, listen to this. It's about the flavor. It's not just salt and pepper. Look at all the nice flavors. When you pick up a spoonful, it's about the flavors for the kids and for the people to love it. Especially if you're doing a potluck. You don't want to take nothing bland, just salt and pepper to the church. Let's go talk about you like a dog, okay? Now, we have our sauteed vegetables here. So what we did was we have frozen broccoli. You can add it into some canola oil, vegetable oil. You can use avocado oil or olive oil, whichever you choose. I use vegetable oil. That's what we use here and choose at Mama Soul Kitchen. So we have some frozen broccoli. Don't be afraid of frozen broccoli. You go ahead and let it saute for about 5 minutes. You add your garlic and then you add that herb bouillon, everybody. And voila, there you go. Make you want to slap somebody. Now, we had promised that we were going to bring you some more healthy eating here at Mama Soul Kitchen. We also have some recipes that is also shared that's healthy as well, and also sometimes vegan friendly as well in our Mama Soul Kitchen cookbook that's on Amazon.com, and just desserts, Charles, for the sweet tooth only.